Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for aerial photography enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike, the DJI Mini 2SA. We found this lightweight drone online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. The DJI Mini 2SA is a compact and portable drone that weighs in at under 249 grams, making it incredibly easy to take along on hikes, road trips, or any adventure you have in mind. Its lightweight design means you can capture stunning aerial moments without the bulk of heavier drones, which is a huge advantage for those who value portability. One of the standout features of the Mini 2SA is its impressive QHD video capability. This drone allows you to shoot in high-quality video that is sure to impress, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or those special moments that happen on your travels. And with a maximum video transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, you can fly further and capture more without worrying about losing your signal. This is thanks to DJI's advanced OcuSync technology, which provides a much stronger connection compared to traditional Wi-Fi systems. If you're worried about flight time, you'll be pleased to know that the Mini 2SA boasts an impressive 31-minute maximum flight time on a single charge. For those who want to extend their flying adventures even further, combo packages are available that come with 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, giving you up to 93 minutes of total flight time. This means you can explore more, capture more, and create more content without constantly needing to recharge. The DJI Fly app enhances your flying experience significantly. With just a few taps, you can access easy-to-use shooting templates that automate the flying and recording process. This feature allows you to generate professional-level videos effortlessly, making it a breeze to share your adventures on social media. Another great aspect of the Mini 2SA is its wind resistance. With the ability to withstand winds of up to 38 km per hour, this drone remains stable and reliable even in less than ideal weather conditions. This opens up a broader range of locations where you can safely fly and capture content. What makes the DJI Mini 2SA particularly appealing is its beginner-friendly design. Simplified operations mean that even those new to flying drones can pick it up quickly and start capturing amazing footage right away. The return-to-home function adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring that the drone autonomously returns to its starting point if the battery runs low or if it loses connection. This is especially reassuring for those who may be apprehensive about flying a drone for the first time. In terms of practical use cases, the DJI Mini 2SA is perfect for anyone looking to document their travels, create content for social media, or simply enjoy the thrill of flying. Whether you're a budding filmmaker, a travel vlogger, or just someone who loves capturing beautiful scenery, this drone will serve you well. In summary, the DJI Mini 2SA combines portability, impressive flight time, advanced technology, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. Its compact design and high-quality imaging capabilities mean you can take it anywhere and capture stunning aerial footage with ease. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.